Let's get that on camera. What did you just fucking say to me? Goddamn. I'm about too drunk to what? Hold up, let's back up.
Too drunk to fuck.
Too drunk to fuck, that's a killer song, but what?
The fuck's going on my finger?
What did you just say, Brian?
It's going to explode. Look at that shit.
Let's look at it. Dude, press the button.
Don't press the button.
What button?
Don't press the button.
What button?
Press
Don't press it.
the button.
Don't press it. Things will happen. Bad things. No, don't do it.
There's the button. What to do?
A lot of things.
What's the big one do?
Don't press it.
Press
Don't
the
press zero.
biggest fucking button that you can place your finger upon.
I think this one turns off the light.
Don't.
Because it's,
No, that-
dude, if you
Don't.
press the biggest fucking button, it is so epic that, I mean, this is epic garage door opening.
Open it. So press it. So press it.
What? I don't know. What did I just tell you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Brian, it's a garage door opener. Press the biggest button
Oh no.
with the light on.
What do I do?
Brian, press the left.
I'm scared.
Don't press it.
Press that button.
Press this button.
I don't even know the buttons, so just press one and see what happens.
Push it.
Push it.
He told me to push it.
Amazing things just develop.
Push it. Bye.
Is that it? You fucking fags, you better open the goddamn door.